Thanks for staying with us. Places surrounding Dane County have some catching up to do. Some are more than 20% behind Dane County's first dose vaccine marks, but they're committed to finding ways to close the gap, and they want to do it in a hurry. Adam Duxter checked out one of those ways today. Adam?
Well, the clinic here at Edgerton High School is just now closing after about 3 hours and 300 doses of the Pfizer vaccine given to students between the ages of 12 and 18, which both school and health officials say is much needed. After class, but before her track meet, Edgerton sophomore Jessie Salinas stopped in the gym for what admittedly could be the easiest part of her day.
It's super quick. Like, I don't know, I just feel like there's not a lot of pain dealt with it, and then you're done. And you're vaccinated, there's your first dose.
Almost all of her high school experience has been impacted by the coronavirus, and she's ready to make the most of the next 2 years.
I'm looking forward to a lot of, like, involvement in like sports, such as like football games, being able to go to stuff that we normally like can't have jam-packed people in, just being back in groups that we weren't able to.
Her principal feels the same way.
The quicker that we can get our students vaccinated and our communities vaccinated, the quicker we're going to be able to get back to that normalcy pre-pandemic. And then we can get back to student sections and proms and homecomings.
Well, Rock County ended its mandatory mask order last week. It's lagged behind next door Dane County in vaccination rates since the start, and currently has about 45% of eligible people with 1 dose, which is why health leaders say even thinking about herd immunity is a long way off.
We're not looking at herd immunity right now. We're looking at how many people we can get vaccinated as quickly as possible to reduce the spread of the disease.
But in Edgerton, they're hopeful the more who choose to get the shot will eventually lead them to the finish line.
So hopefully we can continue to just get shots in arms.
I feel like it's starting to like change things, and I feel like it'll like keep progressing.
And this will be the first of 3 clinics here in Rock County over the next 7 days, with ones in Orfordville and Clinton next week. Health leaders say it could be this young generation that ends up actually leading the way for the vaccine charge here in Rock County.